Alright, so I'm going to try doing another video of these American 1100s that I got from eBay. This will be number 2 of 8, and I was happy to see the first one was not master keyed. So I saw the serial number on the front, I thought they may be, but they are keyed different. It's supposed to be anyway from the auction. That number is different than the other one, so they probably are. And I'll try doing top of the keyway again here. And the first one had really light spring tension in it. Like not the actuator, I mean, but the actual spring in the chambers. You know, not much to them, so you gotta be real careful not to overset, because there's nothing to push it back down. Not much anyway. There was some counter rotation there on 2. Okay, I thought it was open, that's a false set. So now, back through here, look for a counter rotation on 1. And we're open. Alright, cool. So now I'm going to go ahead and gut it real quick here. And we have a key, so we're going to lock it. And these are used, but they must have been used inside, because they all look like pretty good shape. The last one still had grease on it in the factory that was still grease colored and not the gross, yeah, like that, like clear grease. It's not all nasty with crap. Pop the clip. I'm gonna wipe it off. Here we go. Overkill with this, and these will probably never be used anywhere for their intended purpose, so there's really no reason to keep it on there. These are just locks I got for the hell of it. Should to pin them up to test when I'm cutting keys by code, just to test them is really why I got these. And my custom American follower here. I just dumped all the pins out, so anywho, let me pin this back up correctly here, because I want to see, I'm always curious where the spools are. Okay, so it's not the longest one, so the next longest one will be, looks like cut number 3. Well, this was going to be quick, and now I just foobarred it up a little bit here. And the absolute longest one was 2. So then the shortest one looks like number 4, so that's going to be this one, which is going to be probably a 1 pin would be my guess. And then next, okay, so this is the longer one and the shorter one, and this one's probably a 3. Okay, so now I'll try to do this right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then on Americans, any driver pin longer than a 2 will be serrated. So these are all serrated except number 4. Number 4, it's either a 1 or a 2. And then this thing didn't have much spring tension on it here, so I'll pull this out. It's probably not even going to pop it out. No, it actually did on 1. Okay, 1 is a spool, and it's actually cool. It's actually a spool over a short pin, so it actually acted like a spool. 2 serrated, 3 is also serrated, and 4 is serrated, and that means 5 is going to be a spool, which I never felt, but there's usually 2 in here, so spool that's over a longer pin. See, that would have been better to be over pin 4. There should be one more spring in there. Okay. Alright, and so that's another 1100 picked and gutted. Take a look at it here. And that spool that's on number 5, it would have been better on 4. I'll probably move it when I pin this back up here. And so I'm going to go spam YouTube with this video, and then I have things to do. When I get back, I'll probably make another video. So I'll be back at everybody later.